understand the profound impact of being able to 3D print metal parts like these, just look around you in the world around you.
This is industrial. I mean, this is a different scale.
With Markforged, every year is like a new breakthrough.
With this new printer, you print materials you already know how to use. There's no learning curve.
You can bring that magic right into your office. You start to print tonight, and the next day you're holding it in your hand.
You can print titanium, magnesium, you name it, and you actually have working prototypes.
If you can afford a $500,000 to $1 million metal printer, buy one. For the rest of the world, this is for you.
When it comes to innovation, a single event can create a ripple effect that influences everything that follows. Take Fortis 3D Production Systems. Not only has the Fortis name become synonymous among manufacturers with reliability, quality, and value, its impact has reached as far as other planets. Staying true to this pedigree of quality, we're excited to welcome the two newest members of the Fortis family, the Fortis 380MC and the Fortis 450MC. These new 3D production systems continue to stretch the boundaries of what's possible in rapid manufacturing and advanced prototyping. From the very beginning, Fortis 3D production systems have built a reputation on their ability to handle a wide range of durable and robust thermoplastics. This has made them the 3D printers of choice for tooling and molds, durable jigs and fixtures, and end-use parts, in addition to advanced prototyping. The new Fortis 380MC 3D production system delivers high performance from prototyping to production tooling in a variety of standard and engineering thermoplastics, all for an unprecedented value. It's one of the fastest 3D printers of its kind, particularly when building complex geometries. An all-new, informative, intuitive touchscreen interface and improved heat distribution provides the best part right from your first build. And with overall design improvements for greater reliability, the Fortis 380MC takes additive manufacturing value and efficiency to a new level. The next addition to the Fortis family is the Fortis 450MC 3D production system. Featuring all of the ease of use advancements as the Fortis 380MC, along with a larger build envelope, the Fortis 450MC is ideal for creating mid-size parts, including functional prototypes, production aids, and end-use parts. While the Fortis 380MC handles most FDM materials, the Fortis 450MC goes one step further, offering the most advanced FDM thermoplastics, including materials certified to withstand extreme temperatures, mechanical stress, and chemical exposure. The Fortis 450MC is ideal for manufacturers that need to produce complex fixtures and tools in medium sizes or batches, as well as specialized, low-volume end-use parts. Enjoy cutting-edge FDM performance and a user experience second to none. As the world becomes more immersed in a digital manufacturing reality, the latest Fortis technology will get you ahead of the pack. Seize the moment and make your manufacturing operation more agile, cost-effective, and competitive than ever before.
Lucky you, you've just been named project manager of the new composite wingtip design project, and you have all of 1 week to get it done. Everyone's relying on you to win the contract, so no pressure. It's only the fate of the company riding on your shoulders. No sweat, you say. That's because you invested in the Stratasys Robotic Composite 3D platform, the only composite additive manufacturing system with a scalable, multi-process architecture, giving you the capability and flexibility you need. You can build complex composite parts, complete secondary processing, and inspect your part all in the same work cell. The days of high-touch composite fabrication with expensive, high-cost tools that take weeks or even months to procure are long gone. The multi-axis industrial motion platform, powered by industry-leading Siemens controllers on your robotic composite platform, builds parts without layup tooling and with far fewer constraints. It also builds parts without the need for support material, saving time and minimizing material use. And just as important, there's even a streamlined industrial end-to-end workflow solution included. Say goodbye to the headaches of working with unique, disparate software tools for each step in the process. Thanks to the environment within the powerful Siemens PLM software, production is now fully digitized with all your design, modeling, and analysis work being executed and retained in one software platform. For easy accessibility, traceability, and accurate communication of critical design intent. You've got this nailed. You know it's the future of composite manufacturing. And you also know the best part of the Stratasys Robotic Composite 3D platform is the results. You have unlimited design freedom, so your composite parts are lighter, cost less to produce, and you simplify your supply chain, all while shortening your time to market. Awesome you, awesome you. Your company wins the contract and you get a free lunch with the CEO. The Stratasys Robotic Composite 3D platform with Siemens Motion Control and Siemens PLM software. Because FDM technology is the future of composite manufacturing.
At Stax 3D, our goal is to take your idea, come up with a solution, and deliver it to you. Quite often we are asked, so who do you serve with 3D printing? And our response is, it's a tool. So it is used for manufacturers, for the auto industry, even for inventors, entrepreneurs. There isn't an industry that it isn't touching. Because we do serve so many industries, there's not one selection that's going to fit everyone. And that's the beauty of EnvisionTEC. The wide variety of materials allows us to customize specific to our clients' needs and wants. So customization is key, and EnvisionTEC takes care of all of that for us.
The 3SP technology in particular is really helping move the industry forward with its speed, precision, and different materials that you can leverage with it.
The EnvisionTEC Vector 3SP has really been a great service to a lot of our clients. The volume allows us to get some bigger prototypes that we haven't been able to see before in SLA. When it comes to service bureau work, sometimes we'll get one-offs, and we can use our Vita to take care of those one smaller projects.
We utilize the Vita for high-quality output components.
We truly believe that 3D printing is going to change cultures and inspire generations, and our job is to do everything we can to help people get there. We want to inspire people to use technology, and EnvisionTEC is one of the trusted companies that we use to help showcase just how easy this technology is and how impactful it can be in their daily lives and in their professional lives as well.